welcome to Shopping with Shana.
Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So guys, I am bringing you a Meijer must-do deals video that starts on Sunday, June 12th, and will go through the 18th of 2022. This is the week building up to Father's Day, because Father's Day will be on the 19th. So I've got some deals for you. You're going to be super excited. Please do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and hit all so you don't miss any of my videos, because we got so many good things happening at Meijer this week. Let's check it out and see what's happening. Alright, so this was in my video last week, but just in case you weren't aware or you don't remember or you forgot about it, $30 off $100 when you spend on participating items like Bounty, Charmin, Puffs, Tide, Gain, Swiffer, or Cascade. This could be a really, really awesome deal, and I wanted to make sure that if you still have it sitting there in your clipped coupons, that you go ahead and use it or put together some sort of scenario for it, because this is a really huge coupon. Now, it is a lot of out of pocket. You're going to spend close to $70 out of pocket to grab this, but you're going to be saving $30 along the way, and be a great time to stock up and just be prepared for the inflation that is to come this summer, so you'll have your stuff ahead of time when it's not so expensive. Alright, let's talk about a freebie and moneymaker at Meijer. Now, if you have a Kroger, it's a slightly cheaper there because there's a sale price of $3.99. But if you do not have a Kroger, you're in an area or you're just exclusively a Meijer shopper, it's still a really great deal. So the Silk Next Milk 59 ounce is regularly priced $4.69. We do not have a sale price, but there is an in perk for $1.75 off of one, or there is a $1 off one in perk if you've already used the $1.75. So out of pocket with the $1.75 off one in perk is $2.94. You can submit to Ibotta for $4.99 back on one, limit of one time, final cost free, and a $2.05 moneymaker. And just a reminder that this particular rebate through Ibotta can be at both Kroger and Meijer. Those are the two stores that it's participating at. So you can do one or the other. Again, if you have a Kroger, it's a better deal there because of their sale price. But if you do not have a Kroger, then go ahead and grab this freebie and moneymaker. Alright, next deal we have here is the Fairlife Ultra Filtered Plain Yogurt 24 ounce. It's regularly priced $4.99, on sale for $3.99 still this week. Out of pocket, that's what you'll pay. Submit to Ibotta for $5 back on one, making it completely free and $1.01 moneymaker. Yes, this was in my video last week. Yes, it is still available if you have not used it yet, and the sale price is still good. So I wanted to make sure you are aware of that. My store was wiped of them last week, and I went on vacation and all that. So luckily, I still have an opportunity to grab them this week because that's a great deal. Now, if you do not like the plain, you like the flavored, we still have a pretty good deal on these. They're regularly priced $4.99, on sale for $3.99. Pay that, but get $2.50 back on one, limit of one time. Final cost $1.49. So a really great price for the flavored ones if that's what you prefer. Alright, this freebie is still available for you a little bit longer. The Neutrogena Hydro Boost Mask is regularly priced $2.89. Use the 3-off-1 in perk that you see in the picture there, and that's going to make it completely free. It reduces it down to $2.89, so you will not have overage, but it will still be a freebie. I did this like 2 weeks ago, so this digital has been in your, has been available for a while. So it's good through the 25th. So if for some reason your store was out of stock, keep checking back until the 25th. And hopefully you get this freebie. We also have the Neutrogena Facial Cleansing Bars, regularly priced $2.09. The 2-off-1 in perk is good again through the 25th, making it just 9 cents for one of these. Neutrogena Stubborn Acne Spot Treatment Gel 1 ounce is regularly priced $7.49. Use that 3-off-1 in perk that's good through the 30th of June. Pay $4.49. Submit to Ibotta for $4 back on one, limit of 2 times. Final cost just 49 cents for this. Really awesome. Alright, speaking of Ibotta, if you do not have Ibotta, go ahead and load it right now. Use my referral code. It's in the description box below as well, and you will not regret it. This is one of the best rebate apps out there, the most fun, and I gotta tell you, all my friends that don't even coupon love to use Ibotta, and so definitely want to make sure you are using this rebate app if you are not. Alright, let's keep going. Clean and Clear Cleansing Astringent 8 ounce, regularly priced $4.49. We have a $2.50 off one in perk, making that final cost just $1.99. Remember, that in perk is good through the 30th. Okay, this is back. If you missed this last time, you can grab it this time. So grab 3 of the serious beans. They're regularly priced at $1.69. There's a buy one, get 2 in perk available. So clip that in perk. So once you grab 3 of them, you're only going to pay for one, $1.69 total or 56 cents each. There's a whole bunch of different kind. Now the Dr. Pepper ones look really interesting. Well, I don't really like beans, but honestly, but I'm going to grab these anyway and stock up. My husband likes them, and there's other people. Plus, I'm having a little stockpile in my basement right now with the inflation. I'm trying to get canned goods and stuff like that. Anyway, I have not seen the Dr. Pepper, but if I find them, I'm grabbing them. Of course, somebody told me in one of my videos the Dr. Pepper ones were nasty, so we shall see. I couldn't find them in my store last time. All right, this is still available to you if you have not done this deal. The Quaker Captain Crunch cereals, grab 2 of them. They're regularly priced $3.49. They're on sale $2 each when you buy 2 or more. There's a $1 off 2 new coupon in Smart Source 612. It's specifically for the Captain Crunch. Or you can use the $1 off 2 in Smart Source 58 that expires on the 19th. That one is for like all of your Quaker cereals. So out of pocket, $3 total. Submit to Ibotta for $1 back on one, limit of 5 times, making that final cost $1 total or 50 cents each. Really amazing deal here. All right, guys, so we have a pretty decent deal on these Chex Mix snacks. They're regularly priced $2.99 each. You want to grab 4 of them for this deal because they are a sale price of $1.25 each when you buy 4 or more. So you have to buy 4. So out of pocket, pay $5. Submit to Ibotta for 25 cents back on 2. It's a limit of 1 time, so it's really not a huge savings, but if you are in love with these snacks and you definitely want to grab them, then what's an extra 25 cents back, right? So final cost $4.75 total or $1.19 each. There is also a Catalina generating when you spend 7 or more. So if you happen to grab more than 4 of these and get yourself past 7, you're going to get a Catalina. I do have another scenario with this Catalina. I'll show you here in a minute. I actually have a couple of scenarios and grabbing these as well. So just wait a second and I will show you that. Okay, so here is the Totino's Pizza Rolls deal. So this is better than last week, or at least better than what I said last week. If you happen to grab it, you should have also grabbed this Catalina. So grab 2 of the Totino's Pizza Rolls, regularly priced $5.19. They're on sale $3.50 each when you buy 2. Out of pocket, pay that $7, but then you're going to receive a $1 Catalina, and then you're going to submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back on one, limit of 5 times. So you get $1 back from Ibotta. Final cost $5 total or $2.50 each. So that's an extra $1 savings from last week that at least was in my video. Of course, as you can see there, this Catalina has been generating since the 23rd of May. So if you did this deal last week, you should have also got that Catalina. All right, now let's put those 2 together. So grab 2 of the Totino's Pizza Rolls that are on sale for $3.50 each when you buy 2, and buy 4 of the Chex Mix snacks on sale for $1.25 each when you buy 4. That's going to take your total to $12. Now you will pay that out of pocket, but you're going to receive a $2 Catalina. You're going to submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back on one for the Totino's, so you're going to get $1 back there. Submit to Ibotta for the 25 cents back on 2 for the Chex Mix, so you'll get that 25 cents back. Then on top of it, there is a 50-cent bonus when you buy 2 of the General Mills summer snacking products, and both of these are included, so you get an extra 50 cents on top of it, making the final cost for everything there $8.25 total. It was kind of hard to divide this up into 6 because of the Chex Mix snacks, sale price of $1.25. So I just left the total there for you. But basically, you're spending just a little bit more than you would grabbing 2 of the Totino's Pizza Rolls. So I think it's a really great deal here. Let me know if you're going to grab this deal. All right, another good deal here is the Happy Top Fruity Sticks. Grab 4 of them for this deal. They're regularly priced $3.99. They're on sale, buy 3, get 1 free. So you're only going to pay for 3 of them, which is $11.97 out of pocket. And then you're going to submit to Ibotta for $1 back on 1. It is a limit of 5 times, so you're going to get $4 back because you'll even get $1 back on that free one there. Final cost $7.97 total or $1.99 each. Much better deal than $3.99. All right, so I wanted to make you aware of some of the sale items this week. We We have 99-cent blackberries, which I thought was a really great deal. Check your Ibotta, what was it, 2 weeks ago? We did have 25 cents back on the Driscoll blackberries, and it did work with this particular sale. I don't believe that's available. I did use mine, but it didn't return. I don't believe it's available anymore, but always check. We also have $1.99 on the organic strawberries for for 1 pound container there. And then we also have $1.37 per pound on your asparagus. Just wanted to make you aware of those three. There's going to be an asparagus deal, I believe, at Kroger, and I think this one is better if I remember correctly. So if you are a Kroger shopper and you love asparagus and you are also a Meijer shopper, you may want to shop at Meijer, wherever it's cheapest. All right, next deal is the rind diced fruit, regularly priced $4.99. Pay that out of pocket. Submit to Ibotta for 3 back on 1. Submit to Fetch for 1,000 points each, depending on which kind you get. Final cost 99 cents. Okay, so pretty decent deal on these Breyers ice cream. Grab 2 of them. They're regularly priced $4.79. They're on sale for $3.50 each when you buy 2. There's also $1.50 off 1 in perk. Out of pocket, pay $5.50. Submit to Fetch for 25% back on up to 5 times. Now, the way I did the math is I just took $5.50 and did 25% off of that, and my final cost came to $4.12 total, or $2.06 each. I'm not real sure how they'll do the math and factor it. I think it should turn out that way regardless, but again, I'm not a math major, so I hope I did this right, but it should be roughly about this price regardless, about $2 each, even if I'm a couple pennies off one way or the other. All right, Klondike ice cream bars are regularly priced $3.99, on sale for $2.99. Pay that out of pocket. Submit to Fetch for 25% back when you up to 5 times. My final cost is going to be $2.24 each. Exact same deal with the Magnum ice cream bars, except their regular price is higher, $4.29, but they're on sale for $2.99. Pay that out of pocket. Submit to Fetch for 25% back, up to 5 times. Final cost $2.24 each. Speaking of Fetch, if you do not have Fetch, go ahead and load that right now. Use my referral code. It's in the description box below as well. And trust me, this is the easiest rebate app there is. You're definitely not going to regret using it. Okay guys, the Pepsi 6-packs, grab 4 of them this week. Now I know the picture does say through the 11th. The sale is still good. It's in the current ad through the 18th. I apologize, I just didn't change the picture out. But they're regularly priced $3.99, on sale for $3 each when you buy 3 or more. There's a 3 off 4 in perk, so for 4 of them you'll pay $9 total, or $2.25 each, which is a really, really great deal if you have not used this in perk. Now this in perk does expire on Sunday next week, so I guess you could technically use it one day into the next sale, but I would go ahead and get this used this week so you don't miss out. All right, we have the Oscar Mayer beef or cheese franks. Grab 2 of them. They're regularly priced $4.39. There's a buy one get one sale this week, so final cost for 2 is going to be $4.39 total, or $2.20 each. Okay, Garnier Fructis is actually a little bit better this week. Last week it was buy 2, get 1 free, and now it's buy 1, get 1 50% off this week. So grab 2 of the Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioners that are regularly priced $2.99. One will be full price, one will be like $1.49, $1.50. There's a 3 off 2 in Save 6.5, or 3 off 2 in perk. Final cost be $1.48 total, or just 74 cents each. We also have a deal with the 2 Garnier Whole Blend shampoo and conditioner, regularly priced $3.99. Again, same deal. Buy 1, get 1 50% off. 3 off 2 in Save 6.5, or 3 off 2 in perk. Final cost $2.98 total, or $1.49 each. All right, it is Father's Day, and I just saw this, buy 1, get 1 50% off on men's basics, underwear, socks, or undershirts. I mean, that is a typical Father's Day gift, is getting underwear and undershirts. I mean, I think that's all I got my dad growing up as a kid. I don't know, what do you get the fathers in your life now? I think this is hilarious. But the other thing that caught my attention were the boxers, like the Fruit Loops and the Cheetos. I'm not real sure what the middle picture is there. It says swag, but those swag type of boxers. My son likes those, and so just maybe getting him a couple pair of those if they're buy one get one 50% off, since they're going to be on sale, even though he's not a father, just to get him some underwear. But anyway, I wanted to show you these because it is Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to any fathers that are watching out there. I'm not sure that I have too many that follow me. When you look at my analytics, excuse me, on YouTube, it's always mainly women that watch my channel, with a very few men, and even then I'm not sure if they're married and have kids and all that stuff. So let me know if you are a father out there, and let me wish you happy Father's Day. But yeah, you can grab these great basic Father's Day gifts for buy one get one 50% off this week at Meijer. Something else that I think is a really great deal is buy one, get one for $1 on shoes for the family. So it sounds like it's going to be any shoes that are out there. It does say regularly priced anywhere from $6 to $200. And so you're looking at kid shoes, adult shoes. My only thing is, if you buy a $50 pair of shoes and a $6 pair of shoes, that $6 pair of shoes is going to be $1. So I would grab a $50 pair and a $50 pair, something very similar, so that you're getting the most for your money. But really great deal. And if you're like me and you have kids and husbands and all that, and we need to get shoes, this is a great time to grab some shoes, especially since they're not specific to like Skechers or something like that. In fact, it actually excludes Skechers. It says Skechers, Arch Fit, Hey Dude, and clearance. Okay, so any other shoes other than those, you can get buy one get one for $1. So really awesome deal here. Okay guys, that's all I have for you. If you like this Meijer Must Do Deals video, give me a great big thumbs up. If I missed something, go ahead and drop it in the comments below. I really greatly appreciate it, because I'm always in a huge rush on Sunday mornings trying to get ready for church, but I want to bring these to you. Have a wonderful week and weekend. I will see you later. Bye guys.